I'm so proud to be part of the Inspiring Skills Awards in Wales today. It's so fantastic to see people gaining vocational skills, really skills that we need for Wales and skills that we need for the economy. And here at the NPTC Group of Colleges, we are so proud of our students and the awards that they've won. We have won 2 gold medals in the Inspiring Skills Award, and we are completely over the moon.
My name is Tristan Holmes and I study at Neath College. I've won gold medal for my work as plasterer. I feel ecstatic that I've won.
My name is Juned Mia. I did BTech Information and Technology in Neath College. I did the Web's Design Skills competition and I won a gold.
Juned Mia from NPTC.
So I'm just ecstatic, that's all. Advice to anybody that wants to do skills is to be confident. Just do what you can, because that's what I did, and I got this.
It's so important today that the young people as well are given not just the qualifications, but they're also given the confidence as well. And I think that's very important today. You can have the skills, you can have the abilities, but also you need that confidence to go forward and progress with your qualifications and skills.
Congratulations everyone, llongyfarchiadau, well done.